We're at the children's home in Urladani. We just came to see they have a great need for toilets and dorms. So currently the toilets they don't have any infrastructure. They don't have even one toilet for 60 children to use. So that is something we have come to survey the situation over here. So we're just taking a look as to where they are using toilets and where they taking a bath. And so we're just walking about almost more than 10 minutes from the children's home. Roy, if you can just show them the path that we came through. Uh, if you can see in the not the white building, but beyond the white building, you can see a couple of buildings with red tiles. So that is the children's home, and we walked about 10 minutes, and we're going down to the river where they take a bath. So this is the river. So the kids have to come down every day. They have to carry a pot or a bucket and come down. Over here, if you see, there were actually there were a couple of boys who were actually taking a bath and washing their clothes. I think you can still see them. Right, you can come a little bit, closer. You see the boys over there taking a bath and washing their clothes. So this is pretty much the area where they take a bath pretty much every day. And if you see, where they use the toilets or somewhere where we, started there on top, there are a lot of bushes over there. You can see, wherever they can find a spot, that's where, they just, use the bathroom and go to the toilet. So there's a great need over here for, building toilet infrastructures. It's immediate need, because if you see, so we're right now in, March, so it's almost summer time, and the river is, almost dry, but you can come and take a bath. But during the winter, if it rains heavily, you see all this area to the left of me over here. So the river swells up, and it's practically impossible to come down. It's extremely dangerous to even come and take a bath. So this is pretty much the situation over here when it comes to toilets and bathrooms.